Don't mess with magic, or you might end up in someone else's body. Fairy is working on a magic potion. But there is someone sneaking into her kitchen. It's Unicorn and Mermaid. They want to make some changes to the ancient recipe. Shh! Fairy's coming back. I just need to add a little something. Huh? What's with all this smoke? My elixir usually isn't that hot. Pour boiling water over purple basil. Let it brew. Squeeze lemon juice in, and the water changes color. Add sugar to taste. Slice strawberries and lemon slices. Let it steep for about an hour. Pour the drink into bottles. Roll a thin slice of lemon peel into a spiral. Put the spirals onto a string. Pour boiling water over them. Leave them for 15 minutes. Take the spirals off the string. Decorate the drinks with them. Attach a label to the bottle. The Fairy Youth Potion is ready! Enjoy, my magical friends! Not bad! Hello, world! Ha! What's going on? Merlin's beard? I turned into a guy? And Fairy's about to be disappointed too. Whose hands are these? And where's... Ha! I ate too many butterflies! Unicorn is looking for a way to turn back into herself. We need to work fast and make a sweet rainbow. Roll out gingerbread dough. Cut out a piece using a rainbow template. Bake it for 15 minutes at 355 degrees. When the cookie cools, paint it with different colors of chocolate glaze. Here's our magical rainbow gingerbread. Come on, work your magic. Rainbow, pretty as can be, help me turn back into me. It's not working. Fairy, wake up. I think we are in trouble and in men's bodies. Stay calm. Fairy knows a recipe for a magic dessert. Sugar, icing, yummy cake. Please undo our big mistake. Beat 9 ounces of butter with a mixer. Gradually pour in 9 ounces of sugar. Beat in 3 eggs. Pour 9 ounces of flour into the mixture and baking powder. Mix the batter. Divide it into 4 parts. Add an ounce of milk with food coloring to each part. Make a round cake. And bake it for 20 minutes at 355 degrees. Make 4 cakes of different colors. To make icing, mix 7 ounces of melted white chocolate and 3½ ounces of warmed heavy cream. Add food coloring and cover it with Saran wrap so it will touch the mixture. Refrigerate the mixture for a few hours. Then beat it with a mixer until it's creamy. Cut circles out of the cakes. Put a cake together. Coat the layers with icing. Decorate the top with a swirl of icing, a glazed butterfly, and rainbow sprinkles. Here's Fairy's magical cake! Let's try it! Chew harder! No! We're still men! Ah! Don't panic! Fairy, follow me! Mermaid is about to get an unpleasant surprise too! Holy mackerel! What will Prince Eric think of me now? Ladies, or gentlemen, we have changed so much. Excuse me, who is this bearded lobster? Oh, it's Mermaid. This is horrible. We need a cure for our masculine issues right this second. Mermaid will try using her favorite recipe, the magic coral of femininity. Pour crushed ice into a cup. Make a gap using the handle of a cooking utensil. Pour the melted chocolate into the opening. Let it cool fully. Microwave different colors of chocolate chips in Ziploc bags for 15 seconds. Fill different seashell molds with the melted chocolate. Once it hardens, cover the seashells with pearl dust. Take the colored chocolate out of the ice. It's the shape of a coral. Crumble up some cookies. Put the cookie crumbs around the coral like sand. Add the sweet seashells on top. Everybody eats a piece of the sweet coral. Come on! Sweetest seashell in the world, turn me back into a girl! It didn't work! The coral let us down! What a tragedy! Check out even more unusual recipes on our channel, Okie Tokie. Subscribe to enjoy fun ideas and useful life hacks. Follow the link in the description. Unicorn has to take matters into his own paws. There's one old unicorn recipe he can try. Let's get the ingredients and cast the spell on 3. Whoa! This is the cutest smoothie bowl in the whole magical world! Blend a banana and yogurt together. Once they are blended, pour the mix into a bowl. Add food coloring to cream cheese. Beat it with a mixer. Add sugar to taste. Put the colored cream cheese on Saran wrap. Lay out different colors of cream cheese. Roll the wrap up. Trim the ends. Transfer it into a pastry bag with a shaped tip. Squeeze the colorful cream cheese out onto half of the smoothie. That'll be the unicorn mane. Draw eyes on parchment paper. Trace them with chocolate glaze on the back. Let the chocolate harden. Put the eyes into the bowl. Cut a marshmallow diagonally. Dip the halves in sprinkles and put them on the sides of the bowl to be unicorn ears. Melt toffee candies in a microwave. Roll a twist out of the melted mass. Make a unicorn horn. Cover it with gold pearl dust. And put it in the middle of the bowl. Let's try the magic smoothie. And oh no! I don't feel so good! I have arthritis and my eyesight is horrible! No way! This smoothie turned us into magic old people! I don't want to get old! Give me my youth back! Phew! Our old age is behind us! We are young again and still manly! The merman is sad. He hates his manly body, but a sweet treat will cure everyone's stress. Look, a jelly aquarium. Prepare an ounce of gelatin according to the package instructions and add it to 5 ounces of Sprite. Add blue food coloring. Break up some jelly candies. Pour just enough jelly to cover the candies. Put the jelly into the fridge. Cut seaweed shapes out of red and green licorice. Put them into the hardened jelly. Pour in another layer of jelly. Refrigerate it. Make a cut in the finished jelly. Put a gummy fish candy inside. And pour in another layer of jelly. What if the oceanic jelly makes everything how it used to be? Magic jelly from the ocean. Fix what happened from the potion. Nothing. We need to work together. Mr. Fairy found a universal recipe. It's an ancient method of making forest perfume. These strawberry flowers will put our bodies back to how they were. Cut the bottoms off of strawberries. Put the strawberries onto sticks. Melt white chocolate. Add matcha powder. Mix it in. And dip the strawberries. Put the strawberries in the freezer for 10 minutes. Once they are cooled, roll them in matcha powder and take them off the sticks to lay them out on a plate. Let's try them! Delicious! And all wrong! We switched bodies! Bring our bodies back! One more candy! Phew! Magic is so dangerous! Come on, guys! Try to remember what you added to my potion. We can make an antidote. Help us, magic elves! Turn us back into ourselves! Oh, and here's our giant magical mushroom! Put a big funnel into a cup to keep it upright. Plug it with rolled up Saran wrap. Cover the sides of the funnel with stripes of melted colored chocolate chips. Alternate the colors. Then cover the whole thing with a few layers of white chocolate. Once the chocolate hardens, remove the funnel. Adjust the shape with a knife. Wrap parchment paper into a tube. Secure it with paper clips. Put the paper in a cup and pour melted white chocolate inside. Apply chocolate onto a plate and attach the foot of the mushroom. And attach the colorful mushroom cap on top. Magical mushrooms always help. Let's try some. And all together now, Transformius, Bodius, Feminus. Yay! It worked! We are back to being us! but now I'll never set foot in Fairy's kitchen again. Did you like our magical recipes? Then comment below which one seemed the most delicious to you. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss new magical adventures from Troom Troom.